Yo, what's going on, guys? Ryan back from Ferda Heat. Now that I'm in focus, hopefully I don't go out of focus. God bless, please. Oh, but guys, I've got a little handful of Primero red habaneros. Look at these absolute beauties. Look at this big guy first off. That's like the prize winner so far. That thing is just a monster. Then you got the kind of little time bombs, little cherry boys. Beautiful, beautiful. This one came, sorry, this one, dyslexia. This one came right off. So I'm gonna actually eat this one for you guys. Keep the rest. Keep the rest for a little hot sauce. I've got like another, I don't know, 7 or 8 in the fridge right now, plus the other one, the like 20 jalapenos that I picked. Bunch of sweet peppers, bunch more to be picked as well. I'm gonna do quite a few more ferments and just some straight up sauces. So many more videos to come. Probably too many. I probably won't even make videos on all of them. But guys, let's go ahead and cut this habanero open just to make the triple check that she actually is ripened to the core and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm sure it absolutely is. Again, a little quick look, guys. Hopefully, she's good. Couldn't imagine otherwise. Oh yeah. Oh, and I just seed right onto the knife. Let's keep that. I'm keeping bags, guys. Again, comment if you would like these in the future. If I sell them or give them away, maybe magically for whatever reasons. Little mystery seed bags that I just keep collecting from either just like eating sessions or making sauces or anything, guys. If you would like this like mystery bags of seeds in the future, let me know. Comment below. If it's a good idea, bad idea, let me know. Okay, guys, there is the Primero red habanero inside. Look at that, dude. That actually looks hella hot. Oh, that actually stinks of heat and beautiful, beautiful flavor. Cheers to growth. Cheers to literal plant growth and pepper growth. This is awesome, guys. Cheers to channel growth. This might I might hit 100 subs tonight. Also, it's very close. Getting so many, just literally my views like quadrupled out of nowhere tonight. So cheers, guys. Cheers. Thank you so much for watching and enjoying the videos and liking, comment, and subscribing. Oh yeah. Now that the seeds are getting busted up with the placenta. Oh, see if I got it. I ate a serrano last night, which is like, oh no, there's a hiccups. I ate a serrano, which is like, I don't know, more than 10 times, more than 10 times less hot. Oh man. Again, not dying from heat, but the hiccups killing me. Woo. Oh, now the heat's settling in. Oh, so nice though. Hopefully the hiccups will go away. Beautiful. My glasses are fogging up because I'm starting to sweat. That's funny. I just got glasses not long ago. Letting the heat build. Oh man. Beautiful pepper. It's gonna be nice for a sauce, guys. Oh, hell yeah. Play Raid on my phone. I'm addicted to Raid Shadow Legends. Don't judge me. Oh man. Oh yeah. There's the afterburn. Feels good. All right, guys. I don't want to drag this video on for long. It's like almost nearly 5 minutes anyway. Thank you so much for tuning in, guys. Much, much, much love. Many more peppers to be picked. I'm so excited. I'll show it soon, guys. But our first Trinidad Scorpion just popped out. So thankful. Like I said, I was out there last night eating that Serrano, giving them a pep talk, and it happened. Finally got our first super hot sprouting. So happy. Guys, again, peace out. Take care. Much love. Enjoy your days. Happy August again. Much love. Woo! As the heat just started hitting the back of my throat. Oh, such a good heat though, guys. Oh, lovely, lovely. Peace.